Hello and welcome to Exam Ashram. Today we will discuss Test 5 of Eduteria. Question 1. Under whose leadership a huge public meeting was organized in Ara against the hanging of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev in March 1931? The correct answer is C. Srimati Kusum Devi. On 23 March 1931, Kusum Devi led the meeting organized in Ara against the hanging of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Second, which of the following committees was formed for the princely state? The correct answer is A. Butler Committee. Butler Committee was formed on 1927 to study the relationship between the princely states and the British government. The committee published its report in 1929. 3. Which land revenue system was implemented in maximum areas during the British rule? The correct answer is C. Rayodwadi system. It was started by Thomas Munro. Colonel Reed and Elphinstone were also involved in this system. It was implemented in 51% of the British India, which included Madras, Bombay, East Bengal, Assam and Durg. Fourth, which book and writings of Dadabhai Naoroji do not describe the drain of wealth theory? On the Commerce of India, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, England Debt to India, the Wants and Means of India? The answer is more than one of the above, as all the above written options is related to drain of wealth theory. And in all the books, drain of wealth theory has been well explained. Subsidiary treaty, Lord Wellesley, Rai Bahadur, Khan Bahadur started conferring. Lord Ellenborough is wrong. The correct answer will be Lord Lytton. Permanent settlement Cornwallis, doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. So the correct answer will be more than one of the above. Sixth, during the reign of which ruler the French East India Company was formed? The correct answer is D. Louis XIV. Seventh, which area of Bihar remained unaffected during the revolt of 1857? The answer is B. Munger. The area of Munger remained unaffected during the revolt of 1857 in Bihar. Question 8. Which one of the following revolts is correctly arranged in chronological order? The correct answer is B. Sannyasi rebellion took place 1763 to 1800. Indigo revolt took place in 1859 to 60 and Pabna rebellion took place from 1873 to 76. 9. During the tenure of which Governor General Vellore rebellion took place? The correct answer is D. Lord George Barlow. 10th. Who founded the Widow Remarriage Association? The correct answer is A. Pandit Vishnu Sastri in 1850. 11th. Hunter Education Commission was constituted to suggest which level of education? The correct answer is more than one of the above, as the commission was limited to making a suggestion for primary and secondary education only. 12th. Which of the following was recommended by the Arundel Committee? The correct answer is A. To reunite the divided Bengal. 13th. Which of the following resolution was passed in 1906 under the chairmanship of Dadabhai Naoroji? More than one of the above, as all the four options were passed by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1906 in Calcutta. 14th. Which female revolutionary shot at the British governor while receiving her degree at convocation? B. Beena Das in January 1932. 15th. Who wrote the book The Indian Musalmans? The correct answer is C. W. Hunter. 16th. The years of Gandhi departure and arrival in India are respectively. The correct answer is D. 1893 and 1915. 17. Which of the following was founded before the non-cooperation movement? Banaras Hindu University. It was founded by Madan Mohan Malviya. 18. Which of the following poets wrote the poem Subh-e-Azadi? The correct answer will be Faiz Ahmad. None of the above. 19. Which of the following option is correct in ascending order of chronological order? The correct answer is B. Champaran movement 1917, Jallianwala 1919, Mopla 1921, Chauri Chaura happened in 1922. 21. In which session of the Muslim League demanded the establishment of the Pakistan? A. Lahore session. 21. Who proposed the Quit India movement in All India Congress Committee on 8 August 1942? Jawaharlal Nehru. 22. What was the tenure of Lord Linlithgow? D. 1936 to 44. 23. Which of the following was the area affected by the Indigo Revolt? Bengal. 24. When did Veer Kunwar Singh, the great warrior of the revolt of 1857, died? 26 April 1958. 25. What is false about the Home Rule League? The Home Rule League was established in Patna on 16 December 1960 under the leadership of Mazrullah, correct? Champaran region of Bihar was in the unaffected by the league, correct? Any patient visited Bihar thrice during the Home Rule League movement. She visited twice. C is the right answer. Janakdhari Prasad founded the Home Rule League in Muzaffarpur, correct? 26. In which year did Akbar made Bihar a province at the Mughal Empire? The right answer is C. 1580. Around 1580, Mughal Emperor Akbar made Bihar a province of the Mughal Empire and appointed Khan-e-Khanum Munim Khan as the governor of the Bihar. Khan-e-Khanum Munim Khan was the governor of Bihar at that time. 27. Which Mughal ruler introduced the Anna coin? The correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. 28. Which of the following rulers composed poems under the name of Gul Rukhi? The correct answer is A. Sikandar Lodi. 29. Which medieval Indian ruler started the system of patta and kabuliyat to help the farmers? Sher Shah. 30. When did Humayun attack Chunar Fort for the first time? B. 1532. 31. Which of the following are not correctly matched? Mohenjo-daro was on river Indus. Kalibanga, Ghaggar, Ropar, it will be Satluj, which is located in Punjab. Daimawad, Paravra, correct? So the not correctly matched is C. 32. In which Ved it has been said that there are Sabha and Samiti are the two daughters of Prajapati? The correct answer is B. Atharvaved. 33. In which century did Vajrayana branch of Buddhism emerge? The correct answer is C. 7th to 8th century. The Vajrayana branch of Buddhism emerged in the 7th-8th century due to the increasing influence of Tantra Mantra within Buddhism. 34. The entry into the Buddhist Sangh is called? The answer is D. Upsamp. 35. What was the official currency of the Mauryas? The correct answer is B. Pan. 36. Who was the founder of Kanva dynasty? Vasudev. 37. Who among the following started the Gupta Samvat in 319 AD? The correct answer is B. Chandragupta I. 38. Who established Nalanda University? Kumargupta I. 39. The founder of Vaisheshik Darshan was? The correct answer is C. Kannad. 40. Who among the following Chinese Buddhist travelers was last to visit India? B. Singh. 41. The difference between gross domestic product and gross national product is? The right answer is D. Net income received from abroad. 42. The objective of which 5-year plan was self-reliance and zero foreign aid was declared? The answer is 42. C. Fifth 5-year plan. 43. The world's first top arable land holding countries are C. USA, China, Russia, India. 44. In which year was the first industrial policy of independent India announced? The correct answer is A. 6 April 1948. 45. Which finance minister in India announced the long-term fiscal policy? The answer is VP Singh. 46. Which of the following is not a method of controlling inflation? The correct answer is B. Reducing the interest rate. 47. Arrange the following Indian financial institutions in ascending order in the chronology order of their establishment. The correct answer is B. BIFR was established on 1987, IFCI 1948, SIDBI 1990 and IDBI 1964. So the correct chronology will be B. 48. A Har Kranti Mission program has been launched by which ministry? The correct answer is C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 49. Which of the following is kept outside the purview of GST? Petroleum, electricity and alcohol is kept out of the purview of GST. Hence the answer will be E. More than one of the above. 50. What does the budget deficit of the central government for a financial year represent? The answer is the amount that the government has to borrow from the central bank. 51. What is the shape of the Indian economy recovery expected to be in the aftermath of the COVID-19 global pandemic in the survey 2021? The correct answer is A. V shape. 52. Top 2 total scheme is related to which of the following? The answer is decentralization of wealth from the center to the panchayat level. 53. Which of the following is not related to capital account with respect to balance of payments? The answer is A. Services. 54. Which global organization publishes the report titled Global Gender Gap? The correct answer is B. World Economic Forum. 55. According to the Bihar Budget 2021, the maximum amount has been allocated by the state government for which department? C. Education Department. 56. What should be the minimum age of a villager to be a member of the Gram Sabha? The answer is D. 18 years. 57. When was the president rule imposed for the first time in Bihar? 1968. President rule was imposed in Bihar for the first time from 29 June 1968 to 26 February 1969. At this time, the governor of Bihar was Nityanand Kanungo and president rule was last imposed in Bihar in March 2005. 58. India-Bangladesh land transfer agreement was implemented through which constitutional amendment? The answer is 100. 59. Emergency provisions deals with which part of the constitution? The answer is D. Part 18. 60. Which of the following features is not taken from the Constitution of Ireland? The answer is D. Appointment of governor by the centre. Because this has been taken from Canada. For matters relating to the interpretation of the Constitution, the Supreme Court should have a bench of at least how many judges? The answer is 5. 62. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The answer is D. Article 50. Article 51 is related to promotion of international peace and security, not 50. 63. Under the Constitution of the India, money bill is introduced in? The answer is Lok Sabha. Article 1091 states that a money bill shall not be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Therefore, a money bill is introduced only in Lok Sabha. 64. To whom does the Public Accounts Committee submit its report? The answer is D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 65. Where can a public interest litigation be filed? Supreme Court and High Court. More than one of the above. The concept of PIL originated in the USA. In India, it was started by Justice P.N. Bhagwati, and PIL can be filed in both Supreme Court and High Court. So the answer will be more than one of the above. 66. Which of the following articles states that same person can be made the governor of two or more states? The answer is C. Article 153. Article 156 is related to term of office of governor, 157 qualification of governor, and 158 conditions for the post of governor. 67. At present, how many members of the parliament are elected in Lok Sabha from the union territories in the Lok Sabha? The answer is D. 19. At present, 19 out of 543 Lok Sabha members come from union territories. 68. In which state was the first woman chief minister appointed in Bihar? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. 69. Who among the following did not serve as vice president before being appointed as the president? The answer is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 70. The chairman of the committee constituted by the Constituent Assembly for the Fundamental Rights and Minority was? The correct answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 71. According to the recently released Stockholm International Peace Research Institute 2021 report, the number of nuclear weapons in India by early 2021 is? The answer is C. 156. 72. What is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index 2021 released by the World Intellectual Property Organization recently? The answer is C. 46. 73. Which of the following ministry has launched Mabhi Digital 3.0 campaign? The answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The objective of this campaign was providing digital onboarding and training to street vendors. It has been started as a pilot project in 223 cities of the country under the Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi Yojana. Recently, the Prime Minister inaugurated the Shiksha Parv conference. This conference was organized by? The correct answer is 5 to 17 September. 75. The world's first state-of-the-art smart biofilter unbreathed life has been developed by which of the following organization? The answer is D. Indian Institute of Technology, Roper. 76. Which statement is wrong with respect to e-ashram portal? The right answer is B. It will be 12-digit number. 77. In the fiscal year 2020-21 in India, about what percentage of GDP was recorded as fiscal deficit? The answer is D. 9.3%. 78. India's agriculture export reached how much billion dollars in the financial year 2021? The answer is D. 79. Recently, various organizations have started a campaign demanding that Tulu be given the status of an official language and included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. In which state? The answer is more than one of the above, as Karnataka and Kerala both are right answer. 80. Which of the following countries jointly organized the 3rd Arctic Science Ministerial Meeting recently? The answer is A. Iceland and Japan. 81. Where was the 12th edition of India-Russia Joint Naval Exercise Indra 2021 held? The answer is C. Baltic Sea. 82. When was Earth Overshoot Day 2021 observed? 29 July. 83. Which city has become the first country in the country to have drink from tap facility on 24-hour basis under Sujal Mission? Puri is the correct answer. 84. In which of the following Indian cities the first green hydrogen transportation project will be set up? The answer is Leh. 85. Which of the following is the first country to adopt India's UPI standards? D. Bhutan. 86. Stand Up India scheme was started in the year 2016. Which period has been recently extended by the government till? The answer is 86 by 2025. 87. Which of the following is the first Gulf country to open its embassy in Tel Aviv, Israel? The correct answer is A. UAE. 88. Who among the following is currently the chairman of the National Commission for Women's? Rekha Sharma. 89. When is World's Biofuel Day celebrated? August 10. 90. Stargazing the players in my life is a work of which of the following? The answer is Ravi Shastri. 91. Recently, Bihar State Election Commission has issued notification for Panchayat elections. In how many phases will this election be conducted? The answer is C. 11 phases. 92. Where was the World Junior Athletics Championship held in August 2021? B. Nairobi, Kenya. Who among the following has been awarded the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award 2021 for physics? The correct answer is D. Dr. Kanak Shah. 94. Who among the following has written a book titled Janta Ke Sevak? Nitish Kumar. The answer is A. Shafaq Bano. 95. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Science City is being constructed in which district of Bihar state? Patna. 96. Which person from Bihar was honored with the Chief of Defence Staff Prashasti by the Defence Ministry on 75th Independence Day? The correct answer will be Jitendra Kumar. 97. Recently, in which district of Bihar the announcement of setting up the state's largest industrial park was made by Industries Minister Shahnaz Hussain? The right answer is C. Gaya. 98. Hajipur MP Pashupati Kumar Paras has been made a cabinet minister of which of the following ministry at the centre? The correct answer is C. Food Processing Industry. 99. The union territory with highest literacy as per census 2011 is C. Lakshadweep. 100. Golconda and Panna are famous diamond mines of India. It belongs to which of the following system of rocks? The answer is B. Vindhya rock. Vindhya rock system are layered rocks formed by water deposit. The Vindhya system forms the water divide between the Gangetic Plain and Dhaka Plateau. 101. Which of the following pass is not located in Ladakh? The correct answer is D. Banihal. Banihal, Pir Panjal and Burjil passes are located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. 102. Which of the following pairs is wrong? The right answer is none of the above, as all the above options are correct. 103. Who was the exponent of the concept of hotspot? The correct answer will be Norman Mayers. 104. Match list 1 and list 2 correctly. Zoological Survey of India, Kolkata, Indian Institute of Forest Management, Bhopal, Forest Survey of India, Dehradun, and Center for Ecological Sciences, Bangalore. The correct answer is D. 105. Where among the following a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest and deciduous forest is found in Andaman and Nicobar? 106. At which of the following places the confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi takes place, after which its combined stream is known as Ganga? The answer is Dev Prayag. 107. According to Köppen's climate classification, Gangetic Plain comes under which climatic region? The answer is C. CWG. Arid winter monsoon type. It comes under this type of climate. 108. Which of the following type of soil is suitable for tea cultivation? The answer is A. Laterite soil. 109. Pong Dam project is built on which of the following river? The correct answer is A. Beas. 110. The position of Bihar in the production of sunflower in the country is C. Third from the top. 111. Which of the following countries has the largest reserves of diamond in the world? The correct answer is Russia. 112. Which of the following current belongs to the Indian Ocean? The correct answer is the waters of Mozambique and Agulhas current are the currents of Indian Ocean. Answer will be more than one of the above. The El Nino and Susima currents are warm currents of the Pacific Ocean. 113. On which of the following plateau is the world's highest saline lake Titicaca located? The right answer is A. Bolivia Plateau. 114. In which districts of Bihar is the Parmar Dolphin Sanctuary located? The answer is Araria. 115. In which region of Bihar are the rocks of Upper Vindhya Range found? The right answer is B. Kaimur Rohtas. 116. Bauxite is found in which region of Bihar? Rohtas. The reserves of bauxite is found in Banjari of Rohtas district of Bihar. 117. In which of the following central census India's population growth has been negative? The answer is A. 1911, 1921. 118. Bihar has the lowest literacy rate in which of the following districts? Purnia. 119. Which offshore patrol vessel was commissioned into the Indian Navy by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in August 2021? B. Vigrah. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh commissioned Coast Guard ship Vigrah, an offshore patrol vessel, into the Indian Navy in Chennai. The ship is indigenously built by Larsen and Toubro Limited. 120. Which country has recently become the first country in the world to manufacture green steel? Sweden. 121. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? C. Speed. Scalar quantity is a quantity which express direction only. Which of the following is the dimensional formula of velocity? The answer is B. Scalar quantity is a quantity which includes magnitude only. And vector quantity, force, velocity and displacement are vector quantity. They include both magnitude as well as direction. 123. What remains unchanged in the process of refraction of light? The answer is A. Frequency of light. 124. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Force, Newton. Work, Joule. Impulse, Newton speed. Acceleration, meter per second square. The correct answer will be C. 125. Which force causes surface tension between molecules? The answer is cohesive force. D. Cohesive force. 126. The calorimeter usually made up of which metal? The correct answer is copper. 127. Which of the following fixes about half of the total fixed carbon dioxide on Earth through photosynthesis? Algae. 128. Which gas is used to make vegetable ghee from vegetable? The right answer is C. Hydrogen. Vegetable oil plus hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst give vegetable ghee. 129. The mass number of an element indicates. The correct answer is the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. 130. Which of the following elements is found in all organic compounds? The answer is D. Carbon. 131. Which of the following come under the short periods in the modern periodic table? First period, second and third. The answer will be more than one of the above. 132. What is added to water to remove permanent hardness of the water? Calcium carbonate. Permanent hardness in water is due to the presence of chlorides, nitrates and sulfates of calcium and magnesium in the water. 133. A combustion reaction is It is oxidation, chemical, exothermic, or combustion reaction. Combustion reaction is a chemical reaction which takes place in the presence of oxygen. So the answer will be C. 134. Which of the following bacteria does not fix atmospheric nitrogen? Agaricus. 135. In the blood bank, blood is mixed with which of the following chemicals? It is mixed with dextrate and calcium nitrate. So the right answer will be B. 136. Which of the following type of energy is stored in the bonds between atoms? The correct answer is chemical energy. 137. Isotope of which of the following elements are used in the treatment of cancer? The right answer is D. Cobalt. 138. In what form of energy stored in liver and muscles? The answer is none of the above, as it is stored in the form of glycogen. The cells of the body require energy to function. When the body no longer needs glucose for energy, glucose is stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen. 139. Which of the following is the correct sequence of the food chain? The correct answer is D. Grass, insect, frog, snake, and eagle. Grass is eaten by insect, insect eaten by frog, frog eaten by snake, and at last snake is eaten by an eagle or any bird. 140. A fossil bird that looks like bird but has other features like reptiles. Archaeopteryx. 141. Match the names. List 1 and list 2. Natural gas is methane, ethane, LPG, butane and propane. Water gas, carbon monoxide, hydrogen. CNG is methane. So the correct answer will be B. 142. Streptomycin antibiotic is obtained from which bacteria? A. Streptococcus griesus. 143. Which of the following is responsible for the control of genetic traits in living cells? The answer is DNA. 144. Reflex action are controlled by which of the following part of the brain? The right answer is spinal cord. 145. Who coined the term chromosome? The answer will be Walder. 146. Which of the following elements is essential for the formation of chlorophyll in green plants? The answer is none of the above, as the element magnesium is responsible for the formation of chlorophyll in green plants. 147. Match the following: pancreas, glucagon, pituitary, TSH, adrenal, cortisol, and thyroid, calcitonin. So the correct answer will be A. 148. The speed of sound on increasing the pressure. The answer is none of the above, as there is no effect on the speed of sound by increasing or decreasing the pressure. That is, the speed of sound remains unchanged. 149. Which of the following instrument does not work on the principle of electromagnetic induction? The answer is D. Electric motor. 150. Which of the following are example of thermosetting plastics? The answer is none of the above. Thank you.